Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to unbox the best stabilizer for air conditioner. So I purchased VGOD VG400 via Flipkart. As you can see the package, it arrived early, um, so no issues in packaging, and the yellow color sheet is the bill of the product. So I purchased this product around 1600. So this is the product box itself. This comes in very neat condition, as you can see. No dents over the box, which is appreciated. Stay tuned. In this video I will talk about pros and cons of this product and whether you need to buy this or you have to switch to any other product. So these are the basic necessity and basic details of this product. As you can see, VG400 is the model number. VGOD manufactures many electronics things in which stabilizers are one, and their stabilizers are very reliable, and you can always trust this brand, Indian made brand. And this VG400 is a very basic entry level model. For our purpose this is much enough. It depends upon the person to person. So stay tuned. In pros and cons I will explain you which model to buy and whether to buy or not. So this is the warranty card, and in the warranty card we got that thing no one is written in that, but no problem. This warranty card will be void if we enclose it with our bill. So we have to keep the bill safely. So this is the wall mounting paper. Just we have to mount the screws over the perfect model number. So this is the product itself. It comes in a bubble wrapped sheet. The packaging, once again, it is very neat. So it feels like it is an unused new product, unless some sellers will send the used product also. So be aware of that. We got two screws and its mounts. I want to mention that the body of this stabilizer is made of plastic, so don't expect metal, but it does its job. That's what we want. So this is the warranty sticker. It seems like it has been torn, but actually the pasting method of the sticker is like that only. It was not open, but it looked like that. So these are the serial number. Always check the serial number inside the product and it matches with your bill or not. If it doesn't match, contact the seller or online easy store immediately. So as you can see, this working range is 170 to 270, and this is the very normal entry level basic stabilizer. So that's it for unboxing, and I will talk about pros and cons. The first pro is the reputed brand VGOD. As we know, I heard this name from my childhood, and this is a trusted brand. And next thing is it provides the stabilizer has its own reputed name over the stabilizers. The pricing of this product was something around 1700 to 1500. It depends on the time you purchase. And again, everything is great in this product. And now I will come to cons. I will say that the working range is very limited. It is from 170 to 220, and it doesn't support double booster and triple booster and all. It is just a basic air conditioner with a 12 amps output, and this is specially made for AC air conditioner. The body is made up of plastic, not metal, unlike like other, and it doesn't show the output range and output display port like output input. In some other stabilizers it will show the output voltage, input voltage and all. In this there is nothing, just two LED blinks. And this VGOD has 3 years warranty, but I don't know how to I didn't did yet. So again, if the AC manufacturer will tell you that You don't need to buy any stabilizers. Don't ever listen to them. Please buy an stabilizer to protect your worthy air conditioner. Just by spending some of its money, 1k or 2k you can spend, but if the board or if the unit has been voltage fluctuated, then the cost will be very much higher, above 5000 6000 and all. So better please buy stabilizer, whichever model you are buying, even inverter, non-inverter, anything maybe, stabilizer is a must. And the stabilizer buying guide also available in many sites, you can look after it. I will say that if you have fluctuations very low, high, or if you are around industrial area, please don't buy this. There are many other models. Just visit the VGuard website also, or I will paste that link in the description also. Please check it out. And that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe. If you have any queries and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.